This video is about the package and installation of Yinker 17-inch LCD VGA KVM. This is the integrated monitor with keyboard and touchpad. 1 KVM modular. The VGA and USB 2-in-1 KVM cable. Total of 8 packs. 1 DVI cable. The power adapter and cable. 1 user manual. 2 rails. First, insert the KVM modular into the back of the rack and fasten it with screws. Then insert the integrated monitor into the rack and stabilize it with screws. Connect the KVM and the monitor with the DVI cable. Connect the power cable and the VGA end of the KVM cable. Connect the VGA and USB end into host computer. Power on all the connected devices and turn on the on-off button of the KVM. Now you can easily and smoothly pull out the item and enjoy your work. This supports 3 switching ways. First is the panel button switching. Second is the OSD menu switching. Third is the hotkey button switching. For more information, please contact Yinker customer service.